will do pretty good. Next one. We found the other part to it. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Josh here. My wife, Brittany, on the camera. Yeah, we're back in this unit. We've cleared out a little bit. If you saw the last one, we found some hit or miss stuff. The bags were just kind of like all over the place. If you did watch that one, thank you so much. That means you probably did subscribe. You're enjoying this. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button already, because we're ready to dig into this big unit. I mean, you want to show them what we're looking at?
Yeah.
Because the bags have been kind of jumbled, like we said. We find coins, a little bit of lotion, but then clothes and trash and junk. We cleared all this space out, got all the mattresses out. Look at that tower of bags.
Yep. Almost to the ceiling.
Is it gonna be clothes? Is it gonna be good stuff? Or is it just gonna be more of these random bags?
I think clothes and randomness.
That's what I said. There's so many like hodgepodge boxes. There's a filtration system here. I mean, there's stuff over there. There's stuff back there. Enough yapping. We gotta get it all done, okay? So we're gonna wrap it up in today's video. I think it's just gonna be more of the same. There's a socket wrench. But this looks like more tools. Yeah, it's a drop cloth. Pliers. I mean, tools in a bag. That's what I'm saying. It's just been...
Let me tell you one thing. They do not have a future in a packing, shipping, hauling business. Because the way they pack stuff is questionable to say the least.
This feels full. Yeah. It's full of bits, Ryobi. Yeah, I mean, this isn't bad stuff. Box opener. Pack of 9 volts. Some wire. It's just so weird. I don't know. But that, you know what, it makes it a little exciting that it's just not going to be boring clothes.
Just clothes after clothes, yeah.
It's like, it's a little more work to go through all of them. I mean, what is that for?
Something
A part for a window? Light bulbs. I don't even know. But I mean, that much stuff just in a bag. This time a box. Remington, flat iron.
Nope. That can go.
Purple perfume with a heart.
Probably can go. There's no label. Probably can't be that good.
Old Ryobi drill. Some body powder. Fun sensation. I mean, oh, there's more cigarette butts.
Oh my gosh, I don't get it.
I really don't know. Whoa. I do not know. There's just tiny bags.
It's like, why didn't it get thrown away? I'm so confused.
Right.
The confusion continues.
It's just all over the place.
Am I getting hazard pay today?
Yep. You can take the day off tomorrow and hang out with the kids. This is, yeah, I don't understand. Next box of random. Some yellowed out 2016 Air Force Ones with no insoles. You know. This is like a winch.
Yeah, trailer winch.
Trailer winch. I'm gonna hold on to that. Heck yeah. I'll pull stuff right up in that trailer. But you know what it's in a box with? A light bulb. And something concentrate. This is the part that makes no sense. An oil can. Like, why was this thrown into a box? A sander wheel. Some screws. More screws. See, I like working on projects and stuff, but I'm like, Finding pennies is more exciting than this. Like,
Yeah.
I'm just like, this isn't even fun anymore. Another box cutter. Yeah. And just odds and ends hardware stuff. Trash. Book bag time. Okay. What else is in the book bag? A Dell laptop.
Okay.
All right. On for the next home run. We've been digging through bags. They haven't been good, but I noticed this white box and I was like, I know what that is.
Oh, a Wii.
Oh, Wii U.
Oh.
That's the Wii U.
Okay.
I knew that looked a little larger. We just sold one actually.
We did. We had it listed for a really long time though.
No battery pack, but an Xbox controller. Are we getting into some... Man, if
Those look old.
those original, those are pretty sweet. Are they just, did they repop these?
They might have, but those look...
Yeah, 25th.
Ah, okay.
If those are authentic, that would be cool.
A pump, air pump.
Yep. Light bulb. Shoe. Oh my goodness. A box
of paper.
of
Homework.
balled up
Looks like a box of homework.
schoolwork. Yeah. Just crazy. Yeah, those are funky. They're all bent. Alright, but you know what we don't have for the Wii U? The little controller pad.
Oh,
Gotta look
yeah.
for that. But there's more signs of life. It's slow, but where was it?
In a bag.
In a bag.
In a bag. With old homework and shoes.
And the bag. Okay, we did not want to bore you with the bags, but we found the other part to it, so that's really good. I got some lotion or something on them, but some more ratchet straps. It was just military canteen, and I saw this and I could see that was the avalanche back there. That's where I've been digging. But it was one of those boxes. Battery died in the GoPro. False alarm. It was just a little dolphin bracelet. So nothing else. But we got a Wii U. I'm no tire salesman, but I feel like these will do pretty good. I mean, they got good tread still. Yeah, it says BMW, and that's a set of 4. I'll when we get done, I'll roll them out just to see they're in good shape. I mean, we know local tire shops and stuff, but that might be all the money right there. Marketplace, they're a good size. Like, just going by this top one, they're not really messed up.
Yeah,
I don't know.
They're not scratched up or anything.
But yeah, that's a set of 4. So, but I'm going up top.
All right, go.
We're running out of time, but I really want to see what's up there. I really do. Look, they're holding me fine. Puma box. Now, a power, a charger. Nope. Cutting board.
It looks nice.
Rule of thumb: don't use wood, right?
I'm not gonna use somebody else's wood.
Oh my.
Oh, I thought that was a piece of furniture.
No. You want to look through this one later?
Yeah, we can dig through that. Make sure there's nothing
Might be a good one.
else in the bottom.
There's a lot of shoe boxes. First one.
It looks empty.
No go. Next one.
Empty.
Strike 2. Next one.
Not empty?
Oh, not empty. No laces in this one, but look. They don't look half bad. Yeah, that's not too brittle there. A pair of Jordans.
Okay.
How about
Oh, another
limited
release. Are they the orange ones? They are.
They are. No paper. And they look to be in really, really good shape. Look at that.
Nice.
Just this corner is restoring a little bit of
It's so much better than all of the bags we just went through. What is that?
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. That's like a bag of concrete. I don't know. I don't know what that is.
I really thought it was part of the storage unit.
Delta faucet.
Okay.
That actually might be worth something. There's another one underneath. And there's an empty case. Yeah, there's this one and another one in there.
Okay.
Those, we've done pretty good on, you know, sink faucets and stuff like that.
Another empty box. And who would just pay to store their trash?
Okay.
Like your running
Not
shoes.
Jordans. Free runs.
Is that the Jordan box to the Jordans that are in the Nike box?
I don't know. We're going to put all the good shoes right there.
Ooh, that feels like it's got something in it. Not shoes.
Yes.
It is shoes.
does.
Tricked me with the cards on top.
Let's see here. What? Are these Kobe's? We have no service in here. I want to say.
That those are Kobe's?
I think so. If so, if they're one of the rare like colorways.
Well, I guess we can put a sold comp on the screen of what they actually are, right?
Right. You're not gonna believe it.
What?
There's more tires and wheels back here. Yeah.
How?
There's another stack.
Where? How does this storage unit just doesn't end?
This is
Drawing room?
Leah's drawing.
All her arts and crafts.
Yep. There's nothing else. What's crazy is that this is just a bunch of shoe boxes back here.
I know. Hiding in the corner.
Pumas.
Oh.
Yeah.
In a Wolverine box.
Pumas.
Nothing about this storage unit makes sense.
All right. Let's reveal this mystery. What is?
What is that? Is it a lamp? It's a lamp.
Oh yeah, it was.
I literally thought it was like an exhaust tube or something, or a pole.
This is part of. Oh, this goes on that stand. It's a clothing rack.
That's kind of nice.
Yeah.
Little
Belt.
belt.
London fog.
I'd step closer. Here, take the camera and show them.
Yeah. There's more. This is another BMW wheel, but underneath of that is a BIGG. This goes all the way to the floor. This,
Wheels?
Yeah, wheels and tires. I have no idea. I don't know what's going on anymore. Our version of Paris Hilton.
Oh.
Apparently she really liked it.
Hmm.
But no, I wanted to show these. We missed one. It says Air Force One. Look at these things. Have you ever seen that?
No.
They zip up in the front. A little dingy on that one.
Yeah.
But I've never seen that
Me
before.
neither. They're different.
Shoes came through up on the corner. It looks chaotic. There is a rhyme to this reason. We're just trying to get through everything that you guys haven't seen yet, so we can kind of get the game plan of donate, trash, all that. The last place we got to get to is this front corner where all the weights are. They're underneath all that. So let's hop to it. Well, hey, while I was climbing on down here, check it out.
Oh.
Yeah. Nice little side dagger. but I saw, oh, if I lift this up, there's a handle over there. Think you can pull it?
Oh, I think it's
Looks like a bone or something.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, the casing came out here.
Oh my gosh. Sorry.
Yeah. It goes with the dagger. Huh. Yeah, just decorative pieces. But that's pretty sharp stuff. Trust me, I'm trying. I'm trying to make my way down there. I'm like making my way down to the bottom of a storage unit that's really junky. Weights, I didn't really get to. I was seeing if there was anything else incredible down there. Nope, just a book bag full of empty cans. But we've gone through just about everything. Didn't find really stuff we were looking for. The Wii U was good. Shoes, we get kind of tired of shoes, but hey, we got some shoes. But how about tires? Is that just our new thing?
It is for this unit.
Is it just like Fun Time Automotive? Just we'll clean them up, shine them real good. Because I want to say there's probably 3 sets of wheels and tires in there. I have no idea how or why or what. Stuff we will take to the thrift store. We will be able to donate. And then we're gonna wrap the video up because I got a lot of trash to haul. Well, yeah, I'm actually at my storage unit, and I was just letting you know, all those wheels and tires made us $600. Yes, took some of the tires to a used tire lot, and he took the ones he wanted, gave me some money, and the wheels all sold on Marketplace. But there were a few other things. I have yet to list this TV, but down under here you can only see part of it. Sorry, it's actually nighttime. Forgot to do the close. But this is an IKEA stand, and I'll put photos of that up there. Got that thing listed on Marketplace. There was also a big tall like power tower gym piece. That also went on Marketplace for another $50. But I just wanted to say, yes, I do read all the comments. Please know, I do donate stuff. Here's a picture of a trailer load of donations from that unit. I help out a local thrift store by taking all my donations there. And I also read the comments. That's why I put the counter in the video as well. So always drop your comments, suggestions, ideas. I read them all. And thank you guys for watching so much. But don't forget, we have a whatnot, okay? You can get to it. There's a link down there. And I want you to know, we're planning some shows finally. Yes, purse shows. If you like purses and handbags, we've got one coming up, okay? You definitely want to click that link. It should be happening this week, and we're gonna have some regular shows coming up. We got shoes coming up. We've got jewelry. We have a lot of clothing that we want to blow out, so you do not want to miss out on that. But yes, please know, we greatly appreciate it. You guys got us above 5K. We're so pumped. But yeah, I got another video in the works for you. And you'll know what I mean when I say we got shoes coming up on Whatnot. Some crazy shoes coming. But thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please click that link for Whatnot. You do not want to miss out. And we'll see you in the next video. We love you. God loves you. We'll see you later.